So, nagbabalik na naman ang inyong vlogger's friend Katrolian for today's video. Today is my birthday. Charot. The April 13, 2025. And pauwi na kami guys sa North Carolina. Hi kids! How are you? Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Did you enjoy your sweet short vacation?
Saan next video natin?
Doon na sa ano. On the way kami, papunta kami sa Cypress Garden. Doon sa The Notebook location. So, yun na yung last ganap namin for today. So, ayun guys. Dito pala kami nagstay guys dyan sa Wingate by Windham. So, marami na yung aalis. Ayan. Ano yan eh? Tawag dito. 10 minutes lang to Charleston downtown. Charleston downtown. Ayan. So, sunod-sunod rin dito yung mga yung mga hotel. Ayan, Hampton, merong Jury Plaza, basta marami sunod-sunod dito guys. So, ayan, samahan nyo kami sa Cypress Garden. Ganda guys, so napaka-green niya, diba? Tapos ang ganda ng sikat ng araw pero talagang malamig yung hangin niya. So, ang ganda ng mga puno. Oh. Dito tayo guys sa location on The Notebook. Yeah. Lang kami ng turn namin para makasakay sa boat guys. Sa Ate Baling. May gift shop din sila dito. Tapos
I got this for my dad. I get this for my dad.
ito yung boat dock nila. Waiting pa kami sa turn namin guys. So yan, yung area dito sa Cypress Gardens. Malaki din siya. Bayawak?
And yellow. Alligator.
Yeah.
Over here.
Yeah. They're gonna eat you alive.
We need to follow that.
Yeah, we have to follow the white.
Hey, get your paddle. Get your paddle.
Paddle. Dito.
There.
Okay. Go.
Uy. Low.
Okay, we're going under the bridge now.
Stop.
Just a log.
No, but it says we were floating logs.
Okay, let's go. Let's go under the... Let's dock. Oh.
Stop. Okay, let's go.
You have to dock.
Oh, Lupi!
Lupi, stop.
Lupi, mauntog ka.
We're vanishing.
Wow, we're vanishing.
Mami, ito ba? I'll just keep going forward. Yeah, forward.
Hi! Ayaw nila ako pahiramin ng paddle.
What?
Sila na lang daw.
Yes, I want to go sleep.
Alright, your turn.
I see your friends. I see your friends, guys.
Right. You're doing good.
Yun pala yun, ate. Yun pala dapat. Yan guys, tulog na yung mga bata. And guys, ayun pala, may nag-comment dun sa latest vlog ko na sabi niya, from Reynay Sanganot, ma'am, baka may mga subscriber ka